Okay, guys, we have 13 more minutes. If you guys have questions, do put into that. Lee, I have one very like for multiple few questions, but going to back to because when you made PMI, one thing that has been core for PMI, even when you made it, even today, is ethics, right? And AI is we need to be very careful with ethics about AI. How do you see AI affecting ethics in project management, transparency, bias in decision, and accountability when AI is in the loop?
Well, I think accountability is an easy one to me because AI is going to identify components of work with assigned responsibility. Therefore, that's going to translate into accountability before the project's done. So I think you're going to see clarification of duties, of responsibilities. I think one of the problems we have in our execution of projects is that we've kind of uh, modified the responsibility matrix. If I were to look at it from a matrix standpoint, from a RACI chart, for example, uh, we it's kind of guesswork. But I think what's going to happen with AI, because of its ability to do lots of things faster, we're going to spend more uh, AI effort in definition and assigning responsibilities and budgeting for that matter. Because, well, let me talk about this quickly. I know we're getting close to the end of time. I think one of the big advantages from my perspective is I literally can produce a project plan that's probably 70 to 80% complete, and that's going to be a composite of similar projects that have been run in the world. In other words, people are getting all their stuff into large language models, and you give it a prompt and tells what kind of project you want to, and the next thing you know, you got 70%. That upfront planning of projects is a time killer. It's a good thing to do. I used to use post-it notes and do a whole darn plan. It got interaction, it got discussions going on. So you still want to do that, but you want to use the output of an AI as a building block so that you can do that. So I think, the more I talk about it, the more excited I get, but I'm not going to manage projects anymore. But if I did, I'd be the best one in town. But I think that's what people that come, like, you get 500 people sign up. They don't sign up because they want to see you or me. They sign up because that topic is important to them. And when you see that many people think AI is important enough to break their day and spend an hour with a couple of clowns like us, then you got to realize it's important. And so hearing what we have to say, hearing what other people have to say, our opinion is not the same as some. I know that. But I think it takes that composite of all those opinions to get to the right answer.
Hmm. I really liked how it is going. But let me ask the Sudha's question. She asked it like two, three times. So as someone, Sudha is one of our lead coaches, as someone who defined what it means to be qualified project manager. How do we evaluate experience in an AI saturated world? If a AI can instantly generate perfect tailor register, good communication plan, or WBS, the traditional artifact driven proof of competency changes. As a coach, how should we adopt our training and how should certification body adopt their exam to test for the authenticity leadership competency rather than AI assisted outputs?
Yeah,